Welcome! Rhonda here with Foods 101. Today I'm showing you how to make these scrumptious basic lemon bars. Absolutely fantastic. The ingredients you're going to need is 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, or if you'd like to use canola oil, you may, 3/4 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 large eggs, and 1/4 of a cup of fresh squeezed lemon juice. For the glaze part we're going to add on top of these lemon bars, you're going to need 1 cup of powdered sugar. Some of you in the world will know this as icing sugar or confectionery sugar, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of fresh squeezed lemon juice. Let me show you how simple and easy this is to get together. In a large bowl, I'm adding my 2 eggs. With a whisk, we're going to whisk them back and forth. If you want to use a hand beater and mix this, you may. Add your oil, your lemon juice, and your sugar. This is like a 1 bowl lemon bar kind of dessert. Fast, simple, easy to get together. And I just got a big whiff of that fresh lemon juice. Next, with a sifter, we're going to add the flour, the baking powder and salt, and you're going to whisk this in. With the whisk, we're going to incorporate the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients until it's well blended. That looks great. For my 8x8 inch pan, I've got a paper towel here. I've got a little vegetable oil on it. Make sure the bottom and the sides of your pan is well greased. Tap your batter to make sure you get all the little bubbles cracked there on the top. Back with the baking dish. We're adding every bit of that fabulous lemon batter. Oh, it smells just so fresh. Spread it out from corner to corner. At this point, you want your oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Again, tap your baking dish off to that oven on the middle rack for the next 25 minutes. Use your timer and no peeking. Here's these baked lemon bars. I'm going to let them cool down before I put the glaze on them. That'll be 20 to 30 minutes. You're going to make your lemon glaze right before you add it to the top of your lemon bars. I'm going to cut my fresh lemon in half. I like using a lemon juicer. This one juices limes and lemons. You put it face down and you're going to just add your fresh lemon juice right here on top of your powdered sugar. With a fork. If you don't have one of these, use a fork. Just put it right here in your lemon and all your juice will just come right out. Perfect. Make sure you catch your little seeds. You're gonna whisk this powdered sugar till you get it to a very smooth consistency to where you can add it to the top of those lemon bars. Keep working it. This is ready for those lemon bars. My lemon bars are still slightly warm, but that's okay. I'll add it to the top, and I like using a spatula because I love to get every little drop out of there. And then again, we're gonna spread it to corner to corner. If you could be here and smell the lemon haven I'm living in right now. Everything smells so fresh and fabulous. Can't wait to try these. To make this lovely and festive, I'm going to use a microplane with a lemon, and I'm going to give it some little zesting on the top. You see that? It'll really take this to another level of lemon flavor. Now's the time to try. I'm using a serrated knife. I'm going to do this very informally. I want to show you what the inside looks like. Oh, look how scrumptious that's going to be. Got to give it a try. Pucker your lips. That lemon comes through beautifully. It's a nice, soft texture. Very scrumptious glaze there on top. If you're a lemon lover or know a lemon lover, they will absolutely love these lemon bars. I'm Rhonda with Foods 101. Delicious. Give me thumbs up, leave me a comment, hit that notification bell to be the first to get my new YouTube food videos. Ooh, and looky there. Thanks a million for watching, and I'll catch you lovely people later.